Hey guys, today I want to show you around this beautiful home tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac in Flowers Plantation. From the moment you step onto this front porch with the swing and the beautiful landscaping, you can feel how peaceful it is out here. Inside, you've got 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a first floor primary suite, which is always a huge win for buyers in this market. The kitchen is stunning with quartz countertops, and it opens right into a cozy living area with built-ins and a gas fireplace that makes you just want to curl up with a really good book. Tons of natural sunlight pours in here, and then out back you've got this beautiful screened-in porch. What's even more amazing is that you step outside onto their upgraded Trex decking that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining, and plus you've got a fully fenced-in backyard which gives you guys all the privacy that you could ever need. So what's crazy is you don't even realize how big this backyard is until you step back here. It's actually on 0.41 acres, and from this end to the other end is huge. I am still walking. I want to show you guys how gorgeous this backyard is, and it's tree lined, so it's really private. And what makes this spot even better is that you're just minutes away from top-rated golf courses, grocery stores, and great shopping. Flowers Plantation itself is packed with walking trails and a top-notch YMCA with indoor and outdoor pool and fitness center, and there's so much more. Plus, the brand new waterfront district is coming soon with waterfront dining, shops, and green spaces. It's gonna make living here even more exciting, and it's such a smart investment too. Guys, this one has it all, and properties like this in Flowers Plantation really don't last very long. Come check out this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a bonus room with this amazing backyard. If you guys want to book a showing, contact us today and we'll get you in.